So now that our bench tops are in, it means that we can finally install our Thetford induction
We've
cooktop.
had this in storage for a
long
while.
time. So this is their newest one. We got it from Caravan RV Camping again, and it's their newest Domino Mark II 2-zone induction cooktop. Once we get it all plugged in and cut in and all that, we'll go through all the settings and tell you more about it. But it's not heavy at all. It is super light. We're going to be putting it over here. It's got a small hob here and a bigger one here. We're going to leave it far enough away from this wall so that we have a big pot on the big hob. If it happens to overhang, it's not going to be too close to this wall.
Yeah, we don't want that to get hot at all either.
So, and it's going to be near the window as well, and we're going to keep it just enough this way, and we'll get it lined up nicely. I can already see the
photos out the window. Oh my gosh.
Man, they're going to be awesome. We will have this caravan parked up on a beach, and I will take this photo. I don't know what, it'll be a kettle or something.
Yeah.
I just want the photo. So anyway, we've got a 15-amp plug on it. So I've got to run down to BCF. I didn't check that, and I have to buy a converter for it. So we'll get it cut in first, and then I'm going to have to race down to BCF. 2-hour turnaround. But anyway, I want to see it on before Megan goes. So we'll get it cut in, eh? I'm getting a phone call. Nobody important? It's just a mate. I'll call him back. So it's all installed, and what we've done is you have to drill 4 holes on each corner, and then you screw it in and it pulls it down, and it's got a closed cell tape under it, so it's fully sealed from any splatter, or if we have any spillages, it won't go into the wood, so that's a cool bonus. I was thinking now though, what are we going to do here?
Yeah, our original plan was to not have a splashback. We were going to do like a, what's it called?
A little
seam,
like
not a seam.
here.
Yeah, what's the name of it?
I don't know, I forgot what it's called.
What
we've done on the roof.
Edging.
Edging or something.
Is that it? Yeah, we're going to do that. And then our original idea was that we wouldn't have a splashback because of where the window is. We thought it might look odd. But now that that's there, maybe just having the little perimeter of a little splashback tile might look good.
And I think the fridge being black and the induction black is now tying in with the white and the greens. And everything's tying in together now. Remember what this caravan looked like before, guys? I can't believe it. Alright, I've got to go to BCF because I want to test this out. If I didn't say it already, we haven't got our inverter hooked up yet.
I think you said that.
I did say it, yeah, because we haven't had the electrician come.
3 hours later.
I'm back. Is it going to work? Oh, on. Okay. We'll put on the big hob and we'll see how long. You just bring your finger across to turn it up all the way to full.
Oh, that's fancy.
That's cool, eh?
I want to try.
Yeah, go. Look at that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but
wow,
that's awesome. I want to see how long it takes to boil, so I'm just setting a timer now. And what, we've got about a quarter of this pot. It's a pretty big pot, so it might take a little bit longer, but it'll be interesting to see how long it takes. So we're 2 minutes and 20 seconds in pretty much, and it started boiling.
Really?
That's pretty good. It's just started boiling. So I'd say 3 minutes and it'll be fully boiling, so.
That's so good.
That's our induction cooktop, guys.
We still need to actually like install our bench tops properly, as you might have noticed, and yeah, lots of little things. But I'm so stoked with the progress this week because
probably
it's
said
like,
that a million times today.
but it's just so visually satisfying. And thank you so much to Thetford and Caravan RV Camping for the appliances. We've said this a million times as well, but we are not going to know ourselves.
No.